What's up, guys? Welcome and welcome back to the channel. It's your girl here again with another video for you guys. I hope you guys are doing well. Don't mind about my hair. So I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to today's video. So today's video is all out to get pink lips permanently at home. I've actually used this remedy for like 4 days now, and I can see the improvement of my lips. So that's why I decided to share with you out today. Yeah, so kindly, if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, subscribe, share, like, and if you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. For those ones who are still going away, it's okay, you can go away. If you don't like my videos, it's okay, you can go away. But if you like, you subscribe. Okay, so in today's remedy, all you need is honey, and the other thing is sugar, brown sugar. You can see that sugar is brown. Okay, and then all you need is a small bowl, and then we are going to put the sugar here. See the sugar is there. Yes, we are going to make our lips pink. Most especially for those people who are light skin, actually, it will just look wow for them. Just wow. Hey, that is asali, honey. And then what you're going to do is just take your finger or even your toothbrush, mix it, hello, mix it, and then let's put it on our I feel like swallowing all this. You just do that. Just scrub it, nani. Or even you can use your toothbrush and scrub it. But for me, I've been using my finger, just like that. I feel like finishing all of this because it's so sweet. So that is it. You just scrub it and then you leave it for a few minutes, and then you remove it. Preferably leave it for 15 minutes or 20 minutes on your lips. Okay, make sure you're free that time, you're not doing anything. Okay, so guys, I've rinsed the honey. Not actually to rinse it, I've eaten it. I've eaten it, but anyways, you can see the results. My lips are really soft. I feel it, they're very soft. They are no longer having that hard skin like the way I left them long time. Like, guys, let me tell you something. Ooh, another story. But to cut the story short, I think I neglected myself all that time when I gave birth. So that's why my skin actually looked horrible sometimes. Even in some of the videos. By the way, getting pink lips, you cannot get it in one day. You have to be consistent. Hmm? Sugar and honey is being used in many in with so many people to make lips get pink, but not in one day. You have to be consistent. Today, tomorrow, the next day, that's when you will see the best results. Yes, as long as you're using it the right way. Either you can use your toothbrush, or you can use the way you can apply it like the way I was applying, or things like that. So it all works. So that's all, as simple as that. See you on my next video. Bye bye.